In last class, we have discussed construction of Fourier series in minus pi comma plus pi using the condition odd and even nature of the given function f of x. If the given function f of x is even, we find only a naught an. Obviously, bn is 0. If the function f of x is odd, that means it satisfies the condition f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. We find only bn. Obviously, a naught and an are 0. Homework problem, write down: expand the function f of x is equal to x cos x. We already discussed f of x is equal to x sin x. So this problem for homework, minus pi comma plus pi. I will give the answer for this. You just try in home. Bn is equal to 2n minus 1 power n divided by n square minus 1 if n is not equal to 1. And also, because of n is not equal to 1, b1 is minus 1 by 2. So next we are going to discuss even and odd nature of the function f of x in 0, 2 pi. I already told in this unit we are constructing the Fourier series of f of x in 4 set of intervals. One is minus pi comma plus pi, another one is 0, 2 pi, and arbitrary periods like minus l comma plus l and 0, 2l. So in every problem we first check the given function f of x is even or odd. So now we are discussing even and odd nature of the function f of x in 0, 2 pi. Here also we have the condition the function f of x is said to be even if the condition f of 2 pi minus x is equal to f of x, and is said to be odd if f of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus f of x. You just recall even and odd nature of the function f of x in minus pi comma plus pi. We have the condition for even, that is f of minus x is equal to f of x. Condition for odd, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x in minus pi comma plus pi. But here replace x by 2 pi minus x. For even, replace x by 2 pi minus x, you will get f of x. We confirm the f of x is even. Even means we find a naught an. Obviously bn is 0. So this is the condition for checking the given function f of x is even or odd nature in 0, 2 pi. The condition is replace x by 2 pi minus x, you will get minus f of x. We conclude the given function f of x is odd. Here also we use the property of definite integral. You recall property of definite integral, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even, is equal to 0 if f of x is odd. For minus pi comma plus pi, we use the property of definite integral, that is minus a to plus a, comparing to minus pi comma plus pi. Here we comparing integral 0 to 2a means you comparing 0, 2a for 0, 2 pi. So 0, 2a means integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx when f of x is even, equal to 0, f of x is odd. That means case 1 a naught is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx, an is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. Obviously bn is 0 when the given function f of x is even, and when f of x is even. Case 2 a naught equal to 0, an is equal to 0, bn is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. You comparing the formula for a naught an bn, if it is even, a naught an is same for minus pi comma plus pi and 0 comma 2 pi, and bn formula is same for minus pi comma plus pi and 0 comma 2 pi. Using this we are going to find the Fourier series of f of x with respect to the interval 0 comma 2 pi. Obtain Fourier series of f of x is equal to pi minus x by 2 whole square in 0 comma 2 pi. Solution. First we check function f of x is even or odd. That is, f of x is pi minus x by 2 whole square. Replace x by 2 pi minus x. Replace x by 2 pi minus x. The condition says, that is, f of 2 pi minus x is equal to pi, replace x by 2 pi minus x divided by 2 whole square, that is equal to pi minus 2 pi plus x by 2 whole square, that is equal to minus pi plus x by 2 whole square, that is equal to minus of pi minus x. Shall I write like this? Whole square. Here minus whole square is plus pi minus x by 2 whole square, that is equal to f of x. So replace 2 pi minus x to x, you will get same. Therefore f of 2 pi minus x is equal to f of x. We confirm the function f of x is even. That means we find a naught and an. Obviously bn is equal to 0. Obviously bn is equal to 0. So now a naught formula 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx, that is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x is pi minus x by 2 whole square into dx. For convenient integration, 1 by 2 whole square is there, that is 2 by 4 pi outside common, 0 to pi pi minus x whole square into dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral of pi minus x whole square is pi minus x whole cube divided by minus, here minus is there, minus 3, 0 to pi. take minus 3 outside, minus 6 pi common, pi minus x whole cube 0 to pi, that is equal to minus 1 by 6 pi, apply pi and 0 for x, pi minus 0, pi minus 0, pi minus 0, pi, you write one more step, minus 1 by 6 pi, that is pi minus pi 0, you apply 0 for pi, for x, that is pi cube. So therefore minus into minus plus, pi cancel, pi square by 6 is a naught. We want a naught by 2, pi square by 12. So this is the required a naught by 2. Next, an. Formula for an, 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x is pi minus x by 2 whole square into cos nx dx. For convenient integration, you write 2 by 4 pi outside common, pi minus x whole square, pi minus x whole square into cos nx dx, that is equal to, apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. First function is pi minus x whole square, second function is cos nx, that is an is equal to 1 by 2 pi common, pi minus x whole square, integral of second function is sin nx by n, minus derivative of pi minus x whole square is 2 into pi minus x power 1 into derivative of minus x is minus 1, that is here you put minus, into minus cos nx by n square, 0 to pi. Apply 0 or pi, sin term 0, an is equal to, see here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus into minus minus, 1 by 2 pi outside, minus 1 by n square common, here 2 common outside, inside pi minus x into cos nx 0 to pi, that is 1 by pi times minus n square common, apply pi minus pi 0, 0 into anything is 0, minus apply 0, pi cos 0 is 1, that is equal to minus into minus plus, pi cancel, 1 by n square, that is an. So we construct Fourier series of f of x. A naught by 2 is pi square by 12, plus summation n from 1 to infinity, an is 1 by n square cos nx is the required Fourier series. Next problem. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x is equal to x square in 0 comma pi minus 2 pi minus x whole square in pi comma 2 pi. Solution. First we check f of x is even or odd nature. That is phi of 2 pi minus x is equal to 2 pi minus x whole square is equal to minus xi of x. Therefore, f of x is odd. That means what? Here you write minus of 2 pi minus x. You rewrite like this. So this thing is xi of x. Here minus is there, minus. So we get the condition for the function f of x is odd. It satisfies the condition phi of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus xi of x. So f of x is odd. Means what? We find only bn. A naught an is equal to 0. We find only bn, that is 2 by pi times integral 0 to pi f of x. We select 0 to pi means we select only x square into sin nx dx. Sin nx dx. That is equal to 2 by pi. See, Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. You write first function. Integral of second function is minus cos nx by n minus 2x into integral of cos is sin nx by n square plus derivative of 2x is 2. Integral of sin is minus into minus plus cos nx by n cube. Next term will be 0 because derivative of 2 is 0. Here apply pi or 0, sin term 0, bn is equal to 2 by pi outside common, inside minus 1 by n, x square cos nx 0 to pi plus 2 by n cube outside cos nx 0 to pi. You have to write like this to convenient applying the limit. Next step, bn is equal to 2 by pi outside common minus 1 by n pi square cos n pi minus 0 plus 2 by n cube cos n pi minus cos 0 is 1. bn is equal to bn 2 by pi outside minus 1 by n pi square, cos n pi is minus 1 power n plus 2 by n cube minus 1 power n minus 1. So this is the required bn. You construct Fourier series of f of x is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity, because a naught an is 0, bn is 2 by pi minus 1 by n pi square into minus 1 power n plus 2 by n cube minus 1 power n minus 1 into sin nx So this is the required Fourier series. You just recall even and odd nature of the given function f of x in minus pi comma plus pi 0 comma 2 pi. I will give the chart. Even and odd nature of f of x in minus pi comma plus pi. Condition for even f of minus x is equal to f of x. Condition for odd, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Next, using the property of definite integral, the given function f of x is even. Even we find only a naught and an. Bn is 0. A naught is 2 by pi. Why here 2 times? By using the property of definite integral, we write 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. An is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into dx. Next, f of x is odd. F of x is odd. A naught 0, an is also 0. Only we find bn is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx into dx. Sin nx into dx. Here for even we construct Fourier series of f of x is a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx. Here f of x is equal to only bn, n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. That's all. Next, we also discuss the discontinuous function. Next, even and odd nature of the function f of x in 0 comma 2 pi. Condition for even, that is f of 2 pi minus x is equal to f of x. Condition for odd, f of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus f of x. Here also we discuss the discontinuous functions, that is for discontinuous functions, that is f of x is equal to phi of x, xi of x, like this, that is phi of 2 pi minus x is equal to xi of x. This condition for even. Phi of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus xi of x. This is for odd. To recall all these conditions to find the Fourier series of the function f of x in minus pi comma plus pi and 0 comma 2 pi. So up to this stage in Fourier series, we construct Fourier series of the function f of x in minus pi comma plus pi and 0 comma 2 pi. We have two options to solve or to find Fourier series with respect to two different intervals, that is minus pi to plus pi or 0 comma 2 pi. First option, we find all a naught an bn by using the Euler's formula to construct f of x. Another option is, every problem, first we check the given function f of x is even or odd nature. If it is even, we find only a naught an, bn is obviously 0. If the given function is odd, we find only bn and construct the Fourier series of the function f of x. Next we are going to discuss to find the Fourier series of arbitrary functions. Fourier series of arbitrary functions. Arbitrary functions. Arbitrary functions means instead of pi, minus pi, comma plus pi or 0, comma 2 pi, here we use minus L, comma plus L or 0, comma 2L. You can take L values maybe 1, 2, 3, etc. So that is why we call arbitrary period. Minus arbitrary interval minus L, comma plus L or 0, comma 2L. Next, we have trigonometric Fourier series of f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L plus summation n from 1 to infinity b n sin n pi x by L, where a naught is 1 by L integral a to a plus 2L f of x dx. So this is the general form of Fourier series of f of x and Euler's formula a naught an, and bn is 1 by pi integral 1 by L integral a to a plus 2L f of x sin n pi x by L into dx. Here we going to discuss the given function f of x is even or odd nature. We don't want to find all a naught a and bn. For arbitrary period, we first check the given function is even or odd with respect to minus L, comma plus L or 0, comma 2L. Here also we have the condition. The conditions are same. Instead of pi, here we use L. Case 1. F of x is even function. F of x is even function. Then it satisfies the condition here also. F of minus x is equal to f of x. For 0, comma 2L, here you write 2L minus x is equal to f of x. So these are the conditions for checking the given function is even for minus L, comma plus L, here for 0, comma 2L. That means what? By using the definite property of definite integral, the given function is even. Here also we find only a naught an. Obviously bn is equal to 0. Here a naught formula, you just compare a naught an formula for minus pi, comma plus pi. After checking the given function is even, 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx. An formula 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x into cos, here cos n pi x by L. For minus pi, comma plus pi or 0, comma 2 pi, only cos nx sin nx. For arbitrary interval minus L, comma plus L or 0, comma 2L, cos term is cos n pi x by L, cos n pi x by L into dx. Next, case 2. Case 2 means f of x is odd. Function f of x is odd. What is the condition? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x for minus L, comma plus L. For 0, comma 2L, we write f of 2L minus x is equal to minus f of x. F of x is odd means a naught 0, an 0. We find only bn. Bn formula 2 by L 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L into dx. We construct f of x if the function is odd, that is summation n from 1 to infinity bn into sin n pi x by L. Next, I repeat, now we are going to discuss to construct Fourier series of f of x. Fourier series of f of x in minus L comma plus L in 0 comma 2L. I already told in this unit to constructing Fourier series of f of x, we have 4 set of interval. One is minus pi comma plus pi, another one is 0 comma 2 pi, third one is minus L comma plus L, last one is 0 comma 2L. We discussing only these 4 set of intervals. After completing this, next we are passing to discuss half range. Later we are half range Fourier series. Later we are discussing about that. So up to this stage we constructed Fourier series of f of x in minus pi comma plus pi and Fourier series of f of x in 0 comma 2 pi. We have two options. To construct Fourier series of f of x. One is without checking even or odd. Another option with checking even or odd. We have two options. Without checking means we find all a0, an, bn using the formula 1 by pi. We find all a0, an, bn. Integral minus pi to plus pi, minus pi to plus pi, minus pi to plus pi, f of x sin nx for minus pi comma plus pi, cos nx dx. So these formulas for minus pi comma plus pi. For 0 comma 2 pi, here also we find all a0, an, bn. We use same formula 1 by pi times integral 0 to 2 pi, because here 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. Here also same f of x sin nx. See, sin nx cos nx for minus pi comma plus pi or 0 comma 2 pi into cos nx. After that we have another option with checking even or odd, means we have the condition we already discussed. If it is even, we find a0, an. A0 is 2 by pi times for minus pi comma plus pi, 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. Minus 0 comma 2 pi, for 0 comma 2 pi these formulas are same. For even bn is 0. Next, if it is odd, for minus pi comma plus pi or 0 comma 2 pi, we find only bn, a0 0, an 0, bn 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. After finding bn, we construct f of x. So next class we are going to discussing the problems by using the arbitrary interval minus L comma plus L or 0 comma 2L. Thank you.